Not because there are no people to mentor them, it's because a lot of beginners want to go to the gurus. I've sacrificed a lot, lost my girlfriend, my parents think I'm lazy and weird with online things. This video here is gonna give you more value than any other video you've watched today. Today, I want us to talk about challenges that a beginner go through ama struggles of a day trader. If you are new here, subscribe. I document my journey in this channel and I want to welcome all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. Salute you. And this video here is going to give you more value than any other video you've watched today. So kindly watch this video till the end. Now, one of the biggest challenges a beginner go through or I go through is mentorship. And I'm going to give you a story about this. When I wanted to start forex trading, there was a guy from South Africa and this guy was doing very well and I wanted that life. And I ended up talking to him on Instagram. I asked this person from South Africa, remember, to mentor me. And he told me he's gonna charge me $1,000. And I said, that's a lot of money for me to learn forex. And he said, that's the minimum amount I can take for teaching anyone how to do forex trading. But this person was super nice. He told me a secret and he said one of the biggest challenges that beginners traders have is mentorship. And the challenge is not because there are no people to mentor them, it's because a lot of beginners want to go to the gurus. They want to go to the gurus to learn from them. And a lot of these gurus, this wealth you're seeing online, this wealth, they came with it. It is not from forex. Majority of guru traders, forex traders, this wealth is not from trading. This wealth is from maybe a family wealth or a business, or some of them are celebrities, and some of them, they sell courses and accumulate a lot of this money. So if you're a beginner trader, the best person to learn from is yourself, and another person to learn from is another beginner. I did not understand what this person said, but he told me, look for a beginner that is slightly higher than you, slightly above, more profitable, or has a better age than you. Whatever their course is, pay that course. I found a trader from Nigeria. He was 17 years old. He was doing forex trading. At that time, he was trading using indicators. I saw him do his thing, failing, until he came to a point and said that these indicators, they don't work. I have to find another strategy. I joined his Telegram community. He will document his trades there. He will send signals, and whenever there's a new video, he will send it in the community. So I will come and watch his video. And through that person, I saw what this person was doing, and he had around 600 members in his VIP, and they were paying $50 each per month to be in the VIP, and he's just 17, because these people want to learn from another beginner who is slightly above them. What I did, I went to Juja and found a guy. He was trading on TikTok and Instagram, and I told this guy, Nyaje, I want you to teach me forex. I want you to teach me what you know. I know you are a beginner, but I want whatever small information you have, kindly give it to me. Bro, that's a lot of money. He said, I don't want your money. I just want to focus on my journey. I've sacrificed a lot, lost my girlfriend. My parents think I'm lazy and weird with online things. It has tortured my psychology. And being with me, you're gonna avoid all this mental torture. And whatever journey I took, you will take shorter period to get where I am. And I understood this person, but I paid him $100 to start because I really wanted to learn forex trading. Paying him $100, he gave me a booklet. Guess what? This booklet was his journal. Another thing beginner traders or day traders struggle with is journaling their trades. Why do they face a challenge in journaling their trades? Because they are following gurus. They are following they're following superstars, forex celebrities. And these forex celebrities, they will sell to you a software to backtest or a software to journal your trade. But this particular beginner, he told me, for me, before I enter a trade, I take a screenshot and paste it in my Word document and write the reason I'm trading, the reason I'm entering, the reason my stop loss is there, the reason my take profit is there. And that is a cheat code. And no guru will show you how to do that. That's a cheat code. Why do I say it's a cheat code? Because the market have a tendency of repeating themselves. Market repeats itself. For you to be very profitable in a short period, journal your trades. Take a screenshot before you enter a trade so that the next time you see a certain pattern or a certain strategy or a certain setup, you know how it goes and it will help with your psychology. A lot of beginner traders deal with psychology. Psychology is a big problem, but I solved my psychology by just journaling down. Psychology is when you don't want to lose money, but you want to make money. You see small profit, you close. You see small retracement, you close. But with a journaled trade, you know what next time, last time you know what that particular setup did. So your psychology is intact. You just wait. Just wait for it to go to your side. If it was a loss, you don't enter. If it was a break even, you know where to take your profit from. If it was a full TP, you don't need to close prematurely. You understand? Another thing is psychology. As I've told you, for you to master psychology, journal whatever you are doing. Journal down whatever trades you are taking. The reason. Another thing is funding. And this person told me, for you to be very profitable, avoid demo trading, avoid paper trading, avoid demo trading. Why? Because in demos you will always win. In demos you will always get a lot of money. Whatever small money you have, buy a small prop firm account. This is a beginner telling me all these secrets, and I've paid $100. He asked me, buy a small prop firm account, a 6,000 prop firm account, and practice with that. Remember, 6,000 prop firm account gives you a maximum loss of $600 and a daily loss of $250. Imagine you're operating on $600, risking $5 per trade every day. By the time you're blowing up that account, you're very profitable and you have an edge and you've written down your journal. So take a prop firm, make it your trading, make it your demo. Because prop firm you bought it, and prop firm you can pass it and still get paid. So I took a prop firm and I started journaling down. If I saw a trade, I started taking a screenshot, writing what I saw in that trade and that setup and why I'm taking that setup. Believe you me, by the time I blew that account, because I became overconfident, by the time I blew that account, I had almost 40 pages of screenshots and strategies. 40 pages. So I came down to my favorite. I did supply and demand, I did trend lines, I did breakout and retest. You understand? I did chart patterns. Remember, these are 4 strategies I learned from this person. I also did Fibonacci. These are almost 5 strategies I learned from a beginner, and I would screenshot. If I see a trade based on Fibonacci, I screenshot. I entered this because of a retracement, Fib retracement levels, and this is the result. I entered another one, supply and demand, trend lines, break and returns, all those, and I documented them. By the time I'm blowing my first funded account, I knew which strategy to follow. See, if you see a beginner on YouTube, subscribe to them, like their videos, comment down there, share them, and you don't know which beginner you will meet that will change your psychology, and who you will meet that will change how you view trading. Like for me, I isolated myself until I become profitable. Why did I isolate myself? Because my family was pressuring me into looking for a job. My girlfriend wanted me to get a job, and those people don't share your values. They don't share your dreams. They don't share your goals. They don't know what you see. A person like me journaling my journey in this channel will help a person like you who thinks that the society, the family, friends are pressuring him, they're not accepting him. You just stay away, isolate yourself, distance yourself.